Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Chrome on your Android device and going straight to the controls. Tap the three-dot menu and look for extensions or more tools. If you don't see it, type Chrome//extensions in the address bar and hit enter. Once done, inspect the list for the extension you want removed. This is faster than digging through system settings. Make sure to note the extension name. You'll need it in the next steps so you don't accidentally remove the wrong item. Now execute the removal. You locate the extension and tap Details, then look for Remove or Uninstall, tap that and confirm. If you see a trash icon, use it. If the extension stores site data, choose to clear data when offered so leftover files don't persist. Once done, check Chrome Sync. If the extension was synced across devices, disable Extensions Sync or remove it from your Google account to prevent it from reappearing. This ensures a clean finish by restarting Chrome and revisiting Chrome. //extensions to verify the extension is gone. Make sure to clear cache if the UI still reports it. If the extension reappears, sign out of your Google account, remove the extension from a desktop Chrome session, and then sign back into Android Chrome so sync doesn't restore it. If all else fails, reset app preferences or reinstall Chrome, but back up bookmarks and passwords first. Troubleshoot by disabling sync temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.